All right, guys, I'm starting my own business. I've been busy lately researching different businesses. So I've already researched the cleaning part years ago, and I started a business. And this lady wanted like all the iron off her faucet and stuff. And I went to Home Depot, and I'm like, this is just too much, right? I'm not ready. So I had put it down. It was New Hampshire Creative Cleaning that I had started, and I it was kind of more on my own than, just putting my hand in the bucket and trying it. So now I want more experience, and I have a lot more experience in the cleaning business, so I'm starting my own business today. And you cannot rely on the courts, basically. Okay, so I'm a mother who, at least $800 a month would be what I would expect for child support, and um, alimony, and my husband lying in court, and domestic abuse, and everything. And the lack of stability in jobs is absolutely absurd, especially the cleaning business. So I'm starting my own. I already did some hard calls, and I'm moving forward. And I'm not waiting until spring to bring financial success to myself, when the divorce will be going through later. Don't depend on, the court to give you alimony. Just go forward and do your own thing.